Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Windows key is not working and you wish to fix it, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is to disable the game mode. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, click on the gaming tab, click on game mode, and we will switch it to the off position. The second option is to disable the filter keys and the sticky keys. So we'll right click on the start button, click on settings, accessibility, look for keyboard tab and click on it, and then we will switch off the sticky keys, the filter keys and the toggle keys. The third option is to run an SFC scan. So we will look for command prompt in the search bar, right click on it and click on run as administrator, and we will enter the command sfc space slash scan now SCANNOW and press enter. Another option is to update the keyboard drivers. So we'll go to device manager, we will look for keyboard, and we will update these two HID keyboards. The standard PS2 keyboard was the old keyboards with 3-pin jack. So we will update, right click, update this driver, right click, update driver. And the final solution is to check if your Windows key is locked. A few games allow the option of locking the window key. So if it's locked in the game, then just unlock it. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.